Ladies and gentlemen, a good way to clean an aluminum cylinder head: don't use any metal scrapers. Nothing metal. You scratch this head, you can possibly have to buy a new one. So a good trick I learned from a restoration person: aluminum foil. The aluminum foil is softer than the block head. So any aluminum foil or plastic scrapers. Plastic scrapers like this is a motel key or a hotel key. Use that. But really works good with aluminum foil. Some nice aluminum foil. That, a little bit of WD-40. The aluminum foil. Just work it in. Thank you so much. Hope the tip helps.